I built a Tesla coil winder. I got inspired by a guy on the internet that made one. I made some alterations and downloaded most of the stuff you see in blue. I downloaded, which would be this piece and this piece, and same is on the other side, this piece and this piece. That's just a little motor that's mounted. Here's an adjustable power supply. This particular motor can go higher than 12 volts, but it says it's up to 12 volts, but I can control the speed with this. And so this particular power supply, the lowest it goes is 8.7 volts. I'm going to put it down here, so I'll just leave it at that. And then I equipped this with a foot pedal, and that way I can turn it on and off with my foot instead of worrying about anything else. And then I have these little slots in here that I can put the coil, that the main spool. It needs to rest somewhere, so or I can just pull this out and plug it in here or over here, or I can just plug these two pieces of extra boards I have. This one goes in a little bit harder, a little tighter, and then I can just pull this out and then take the shaft and then move it over and so on and so forth, because the angle of this spool that you are using to create the spool is essential. As you can see, I already started a little bit, and you need to do it very tight, and you don't have a whole lot of room for mistakes. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the wire down tight, take the tape off, very carefully. I'll just put it over here for the time being. And it does take a little practice. You cannot be on top of the existing wire. You have to lay nicely next to each other. And if things happens like I just did, and you just tighten up the wire and use my fingernail. And there we go. There's twice as much than there was just a second ago. I'm going to take the tape and tape it so I don't lose the tension. So that's pretty much so how easy it is. I forgot to mention that this end and this end I designed, and then I give credit to Howard, who's a good friend of mine, who helped me with some other things about it. And the reason I had to make this bigger is because the ones that this, I also designed this one here and this one here for different sizes, for different size tubings. This one will probably accommodate easily a 4-inch, up to a 4-inch, but I will have to bring build me a little larger collards on this end and that end. Otherwise than that, it's very, very simple. It's much easier than doing it by hand, and you do a better job, and the tighter it is, and the tighter the wire, as well as the layers next to each other, the better the coil will perform, and you're not going to have a whole lot of problems. So that's about it. I hope you like it.